What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Duplicat app. So this app replaces celebrities' faces with your face. I feel like it does a good job if your face is similar to the shape of them. Like face, I feel like I can kind of look like I'm in. This guy's face, I look just like my grandfather in that one. But some of them that have different shaped faces, it kind of doesn't work. Also, I have a beard. I have a full beard, but it does not show up. It just shows a mustache. That's interesting. Oh man, I do not look like that. Don't look like that. Oh man, that's what I look like with a longer face. So, you know, like Leonardo DiCaprio, it works kind of good. I kind of have a fat face. This guy, yeah, I can't believe I'm forgetting his name. I know it has a junior in it. Oh man, that's what I'm going to look like when I get old. You know what, that does seem to look kind of similar. I don't think it really worked. That sort of looks a little bit like me. Oh man. Oh my gosh. So this does a pretty good job, but if you have a beard, it's gonna take your beard off, and you want to find people who have similar face shapes. I'm actually learning a little bit about what my face looks like. That looks like Joe Rogan, just by looking at these, because I don't really like that, but if I took the picture and put it in here, I don't really have that look. I feel like I should shave and do this. I don't see that it did anything to his face. Maybe I just look so similar to him, to Zach Galifianakis. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my goodness. I don't look anything like Jim Carrey. You know what? That one kind of looks a little bit closer to what I look like if I'm really skinny. Okay, that kind of does look like me if I was a little bit older, a little bit rougher looking. That kind of, I think Johnny Depp's face would work good on it. That one, it did a great job on that. That's kind of similar to my facial structure a little bit. Man, I didn't realize Will Ferrell had a long face. My eyes, I think if they got the eyes right, it would really help with a lot of these, but the eyes are not right on any of these. Looking in the mirror, my eyes seem to be a little more open than that. It really slants them. Oh man, it's like Steve Carell has a thicker head there. I always thought of him having a longer face. Now I finally got my beard, my full beard. With the full beard, it does kind of look like me. That one it did a good job too. Oh man. Oh. So there you go. That's a Duplicat. It does a pretty good job. It's pretty fun. It's an addictive app. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, I'm going to do some app reviews, but mostly camera stuff and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a videographer. So hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.